Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. In this presentation, we're going to outline several different student motivation strategies for teachers to use. Teachers must set appropriate academic and behavioral goals for their students. If the goals are out of reach, students will likely not even try. And if the goals are set too low, there will be a level of boredom. Next, research shows that students are more engaged when subject matter is related to real life. Students desire real connections to the real world. Gamification is a classroom teaching strategy where educators create a competitive environment in an effort to motivate students to try their best. Classroom projects are overall quite rewarding. There is a big payoff when students finish up their projects and students have ownership over those projects. Educators can help students motivate themselves by instilling a growth mindset attitude. It teaches students that hard work and dedication can lead to the acquisition of skills and ability. Teachers can lesson plan and include choice assignments. During a lesson, students should have the option to maybe choose between a worksheet, a reading, a drawing, or something else. Enthusiastic teachers inspire their students. If a teacher is excited about the lesson, their students can feel their excitement. Displaying student work in the classroom is a great way to showcase their achievements. Students become motivated when they know their work will be made public. Research also shows that students that have good relationships with their teachers work harder for that teacher. Students are motivated not to let their teacher down. One of the most obvious ways to motivate students in the classroom is to plan engaging activities. Students love to get up and move around, so teachers should consider kinesthetic activities. There's always a group of students that just don't like anything that has to do with school. In those cases, extrinsic rewards are necessary. Different students thrive in different situations, and some students may be motivated to perform better when they are working with their peers. They want to contribute and don't want to be seen as incompetent. Teachers with patience encourage and motivate students to learn, so have patience. Students that work hard on a test want timely feedback. Receiving good grades and bad grades both motivate students. If students don't get their grades back anytime soon, they don't care as much and aren't as motivated. Teachers should provide resources to the students in need in an effort to motivate them to learn. Give them calculators if they need it. Students are very unmotivated through passive learning experiences, such as sitting through a dull lecture. Active learning requires students to take action, thus motivating them. Teachers that have the expectation that students will succeed will motivate their students to meet those expectations. And the last strategy is to make your classroom a fun place. As a teacher, it's okay to make some jokes. It's okay to make your class enjoyable. Okay? Make that classroom a place where your students want to succeed and where they want to be. So if there's anything else you can think of, please add that to the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check the description and information icons for links to resources, and have a great day.